Hi there, I'm Sonny Jane. I'm a drummer and composer, and I'm very happy to be part of the Kennedy Center Education's online series called Teaching Artists Present. I'm coming from my basement studio in Brooklyn, New York. Most of my time is spent touring and performing with my band Red Bharat. We play a mashup of global sounds like jazz, hip hop, and South Asian music. Today, I'm going to introduce you to the drum that I play in that band. It's called the dhol. You ready to hear some dhol? So as you heard, the dhol is a very loud and festive drum, and today we're going to learn a little bit more about it. It comes from the Punjab region in South Asia, which is in both India and Pakistan, which is where my family comes from. It carries a strong identity with the people of Punjab, and it's connected to the folk traditions and dances from that area. The first time I heard the dhol was when I was 5 years old. I was at my uncle's wedding in India, and there was a brass band playing and some dhol drummers playing alongside with it. I was mesmerized by the sound. It sounded a little bit like this. I'd like to show you two popular rhythms that we play on the dhol. And I'd like to show you those rhythms as a starting point to use your voice as a drum. You don't have to have any musical background or a dhol drum or anything at home. All you have to do to participate is express yourself by making drum sounds with your own voice. You ready? This first rhythm is called chal, and it's a very popular rhythm heard in Bhangra music. Bhangra music, again, is music from Punjab. And it's also a rhythm heard in Bollywood music. Bollywood is like the film industry of India, kind of like Hollywood. Okay, so now let's use our voice to make those drum sounds. Let's start real simple with some syllables that I came up with. Can you say boom? Now say chick. Now let's put an A at the end of both those words, like boomma, chicka, boomma, chicka. Great, we're going to use those syllables to do what I like to call beatboxing. You ready? Here we go. Boom a chicka chicka 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 boom a chicka chick boom a chicka chicka boom a chicka chicka boom a chicka chicka boom a chicka chick. Nice job. Okay, this second rhythm is called Dhamal. And this is a type of rhythm you find amongst Pakistani dhol players in western Punjab playing Sufi music, a trance-like devotional music. Okay, you ready to voice that with me now? Same syllables, boom and chick, but let's add a third syllable, clack. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Clack, 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 ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, clack, 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 ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, clack, 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 ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, clack, 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 ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, clack, 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 ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom, chick, ba-boom, boom. Keep going. Great job using your voice as a drum. Now I'd like to show you another way to do this as well. It's a bit harder, but I know you can do it. The way one learns North Indian drums like the dhol, or the dholki, or the tabla, is by a system of syllables called bols. Bol in the language of Hindi means to speak. We are literally using our voice to speak as a drum. And the syllables that we say relate to the sound coming from the drum. So I'd like to give you a traditional pattern so you can learn a few bowls. This is an 8-beat pattern called keharva. I'll start slow and then I'll slowly speed up. Okay, ready? Da, ge, na, ti, na, ka, di, na. 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 Ge, na, ti, na, ka, di, na. Da, 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 ge, na, ti, na, ka, di, na. Great job! So now you have a couple ways you can use your voice as a drum. Let's take this a step further and try and make up your own stuff. This is called improvisation. You can use the beatbox syllables that we learned, like boom, chick, clack. You can make up your own sounds. You can also use the bowls. Da, ge, na, ti, na, ka, di, na. Whatever you want. This is all about you expressing yourself and utilizing your voice as a drum. Let me start with an example of me improvising first. I'll first lay down a chal rhythm on my dhol, and then I'll take it from there. Are you psyched to try this? You ready to have some fun? I'm going to lay down a steady chal rhythm on dhol, and then I want you to take a chance at improvising. Again, you can use those beatboxing syllables, you can use the bowls, you can make up whatever you want. I want you to have some fun. Here we go. I'm going to count off 4, and then we're in.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Excellent, nice. You want to try it again? Okay, just rewind this video back to... Did you have fun learning a bit about the dhol and using your voice as a drum? Sure hope you did. You know what you can do now? You can take these ideas and rhythms and you can improvise over songs that you already listen to at home. You can even ask your parents or your siblings or friends to maybe jam along with you. Maybe you can teach them a little bit about something you learned today. And you can always go back and re-watch this video and learn some other things you might have missed the first time around doing it. Or you can practice with me, just like you did when I was playing the chal rhythm. I really hope you enjoyed watching this, and I hope you'll explore some of the other videos in the Kennedy Center Teaching Artist Presents collection. Thanks so much for watching, and again, I'm Sonny Jane.